Cloud architects are transforming their infrastructure with GKE, and you can too. Google Kubernetes Engine, or GKE, is changing the way we build and deploy applications. Get hands-on experience, expert insights, and the skills to build cutting-edge cloud solutions by enrolling in architecting with Google Kubernetes Engine. This training consists of 2 courses. In the first course, you learn about workloads, deployments, and jobs to effortlessly deploy and scale your applications. Conquer GKE networking and keep your data safe with persistent storage. The second course explores access control, and you learn to monitor your applications to optimize performance and security. Discover which Google Cloud managed storage solutions are right for you, and configure CI/CD pipelines for GKE. Participate in knowledge checks along the way and earn a badge that you can apply to your pursuits in the job market. Level up your career and become a GKE expert. Enroll today.